Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
$50 dozen banana. $50 dozen. Where's the nice lady? Banana.
How much for this?
$50 dozen.
$50?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so expensive still, you know.
Where's it? I want it.
Susan,
What the fuck? How are you, man?
Sir, drive the car.
How are you, man?
I just drive the car.
No, brother, you slam the door. What?
Sir, drive the piece of car, man.
You slam the door, no, lady. How are you, man?
You want to see about that?
Oh, no, that now.
Sir, drive the car before.
You slam the door.
Drive the car, no, sir. Drive the car. Hello, Mr. One video go around Jamaica don't own a teeth banana. I don't know what talk about me. Me? Good up, buddy, me. I got Jamaica got teeth banana. Oh no wicked. Look on our hairstyle and our clothes. I don't mean that's me here. This is me. Me, I got Jamaica got teeth banana. Oh no wicked. Stop calling my name. I know me. I know good up, body Susan. I'm gonna teeth banana. Susan, I'm gonna make a lie so everybody knows how you teeth the banana. Me did that when I teeth the banana. No, but stop telling lie, man. Everybody knows how you teeth the banana, Susan. No, man, enough your lie, so. You're too lying, man. Hey, girl, make a chat, so come on. You chat too much, man. Nobody know if you know, say me teeth it. Nobody know if you know. You chat too much. Come out of the room. Wait, come out. Susan, stop. Come out of the room. Man. Susan. Yeah, as my dad said, I know me, so I'm gonna go try stop call up my name.
Mom, I'm leaving your fucking house.
No,
you don't
Timmy.
buy no fucking video games. I'm leaving your motherfucking house. I hope you choke on dicks, Mom.
I'll buy you a lot of video games,
You
Timmy.
buy
Please
me
don't leave.
motherfucking video games if you want me to stay.
I will.
Mommy, I have to leave. I can't do it no more. You abuse me. You beat me every day and I tell me to clean this, clean that.
Good riddance. Me can save $40 a week and do me here, finally. Jesus Christ, you know what more do me here? Come out of my blood clot house.
I've been so wicked and cold, Mommy.
Come out of my blood clot house, boy.
Mommy, sorry for keeping you waiting.
Sorry for keeping you waiting. Your school call and tell me saying I come there today. Them call and tell me saying I come there today. But me I tell you one thing. You end up like a dirty pooper.
Yes,
You're gonna end up like a dirty pooper. Yes, mommy. I want to make a tell you, you know. You see me saying you go school, you better go school. You better go school. You know see me smart saying I 6 picking them. All of them live in a one deggy room. You want to end up like them? Eh? You want to end up like she with fear picking them? Answer me. You want to walk a road and end up a name out a garbage pan because you never want to go school? If you think you're bad, sorry, man, sorry. I take the glove compartment and box in her face. Shut your teeth again. Chop. I'm bother with you, man. Tam. Facebook era, back at it again. I know when me come to talk, I know when me come to talk. First you walk up and down and come talk about you take people man and you're proud of take people man. Now you have a little school girl and walk around from morning and come talk about them a go sing the boy face and do this to boy face. I shine you know see they don't see I said little girl them. You know see a blood clot they don't see I said little girl them. And you come talk about if you want blow job you have to give him blow job and poop in her face and all that. That's why Joe Banga this take away bench for you know. That's why Joe Banga this take away bench for you walk I shana. No me understand what me can go and say you know. And then look at thing you get the look at thing you get do forget starlight and highlight in Aishana. And me not take it this year you know. Me not take it. And me no want the little girl you come mix up me look name you know. Me no want you come mix up look egg me no want to come call up me name you know. From to them is single. From to them is single until the song stay out. Me single until the song stay out. But girl fi sit down in a man face.
Excuse me, sir. Do you know why I pulled you over?
Because he's a Jamaican?
What? No, sir. It's because you run the red light.
Officer, you look like a very intelligent man.
Quite intelligent.
It's a car me a drive, right?
That's right.
You ever yet see a car run yet?
No, sir.
So officer, unless you can show me some foot on the car, me no run no light.
Oh, that DJ.
Talk to the general. You talk to me and then me will talk to the general.
See what this?
If you say you go shop right now, go buy a food. Where that bring?
You mean if you kill a hungry man, come me deal man a cup of Hennessy?
If we then dance right now, and him say you go call a girl, where would I
Girl team go to a girl mad than me, she know say you're the general need to see her. No, I'm not taking none of your answer either.
If you were in a party and you hear no killer play all night, what would I do? Knock it down a play. DJ, after I get come on and plug him some jam and I run. Look into my eyes. Tell me what you see. Yeah, man. You ever play a waistband roulette? Who you work with before? Tell me. Well, you don't know sir for no people are there for my life. Luciano. Is when I say Bob Man the wheelers. Jack you.
You know me there and I say you're gonna get the job, yeah? But you just go low. Who you say you work with before? Higher Cure. Who sing longing for? Who did dip on the floor? And me you want come get clown out when me dip on tour?
DJ, me never did it.
Clear out! Pull get your face tear out.
DJ.
8 Jamaican nationals were today extradited to the United States on a 66-count indictment related to lottery scamming activity.
About time them catch them scammer boy and scammer girl and rob our people money. Yeah. Hello, Miss Williams. Are you at the Western Union? Perfect. Here is what you're gonna do. You're gonna transfer $350,000 US to Trevor Mullins. Once you make the transfer, your 2030 Bugatti will be shipped to you ASAP, along with $20 million. So all you gotta do, make the transfer, and your prize will be delivered. Perfect. Okay, Miss Williams, just give me a call once the transaction is completed. Okay?
Hey, big money popping anyone me stop dog. Dead presidents man full of cash dog. Me no drop ya.
How you be? Captain Jamaica. Never hear you before. Move from show you. Can't shoot me, I'm a superhero. Eh? Miss, you're not bad. Superman can't catch bullet. I'm better than Superman. You can't catch that. Can't catch bullet. You see your hand bleed. We still catch it though.
Michael! Buy some clothes for you. You can bleach them out and wipe your body with them and wipe the floor with them and see if me no wipe my belt cross your feet. Feel me have time or money for waste. All this make me go check in your jaw car. All if a clothes man buy for you when it is small so me no know how you run out now. You see what me a talk about? Look how much clothes the boy have in a jaw. Go try on that. No. Truth is you see? You see what me a talk about? Look there. I'm nearly waste my money. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. You ain't worry about if the clothes can't fit you. You know say you won't fit the clothes. Pass back them man. Pass them. Go. Turn around. Let me see how you looking at it. Yeah. Show the girl them the barrel load of abs. Turn around. Yeah. You look so dope. So fresh.
Daddy. Me if you have to go to school today now. Alright then, just go wash it, let's plate then. You know what? Me are late.
Yo, yeah, you say when your toe beside your big toe taller than it enough, you're gonna be too man, you know.
Real thing.
Yeah, man.
Seen.
Dear, why are you for cook now? Hey, Bumbo. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanye Clark. Peace.